Are you still taking notes manually? Are you still writing email drafts manually all by yourself? Or prompt ChatGPT or any large language model by typing and not using your voice? Or copy and pasting whatever you're learning from a technical book all by yourself, all done manually? If you said yes to any one of these, this has completely revolutionized the way I work and the way I take notes, and I'm sure it will for you as well. The tool is called Aqua. Aqua is an audio transcription tool that not only transcribes what you say, but it also cleans it, structures it. It also understands context, and you can structure it the way you want. The crazy thing about it is that it can also fix all the stumbling, the small errors that we make while speaking, because it's just normal to make mistakes. And also it can help you in very challenging topics, coding and understanding deep context. I'll walk you through a few examples here where I use Aqua extensively. The first one is writing emails. The second one will be for light coding. The third one will be brainstorming session. The fourth one will be taking notes from a technical book. And the fifth one will be for content creation. I've been using this tool for a few months, and I'm so glad that Aqua decided to reach out to me to offer to sponsor this video. You'll find the link in the description below where you can go and try the tool completely for free, no credit cards or anything needed. So you can go and try everything that I will show you right now all by yourself. Now let's jump into my computer. Okay, now first you can go into Aqua Voice website. You'll find that you can download it for Mac and for Windows as well. You'll find even a tutorial here. It's been trusted by some of the biggest companies and some of the biggest universities, and you can see everything about them in here. So it's just within one click you can download it and you can access the app very easily. So here you have a few things. Just choose the button that you want to start recording. Here I have FN. If you stay pressed on it, it will start transcribing whatever you're saying, as you can see at the bottom. But if you click on it twice, it will keep on recording until you click at the end, and it will just stop. So you have a dictionary as well. Here you can put some specific words that you want the tool to know specifically, so that it doesn't make mistake on them, especially if there are like some specific names or technical words. You can add them in here and things like this. Okay, so here I am on my emails, and let's say I want to send an email to Ramit Sethi. In here I will just double click FN. Hey Ramit, hope you're well. I read your book and I really enjoyed the insights that you shared in it. If possible, I would like to have a dinner with you Sunday, 6 p.m. My treat, and let me know what you think. Best regards, Anas. You can see that it directly structured it for us. The name Ramit is correct, and you can see the structure of an email. It did recognize directly that it's an email, and it wrote it in that way. So sometimes you'll find some names that are difficult to write or to pronounce or to be understood by the tool. You can just go into Aqua, you have the dictionary, and you can add here whatever name if it's complicated to pronounce, so that it knows and it has it in the dictionary, and it makes it easier to make less mistakes. But usually Aqua, it's that it picks up directly from your screen and it sees the content of it, so that it gives you the best accuracy possible. Now let's do some light coding. Here we are in Cursor AI. It's a development environment that you can use same as VS Code, but it has more capabilities, more AI in it, so you can use it. Let's say here I want to make something out of this function here. We don't have any arguments yet in it, and I can just prompt the AI in here and ask it to do some sort of functionality for me. And I can use Aqua just to prompt it directly, and it will recognize it. In the function My Custom tool, make it so that it converts lowercase characters into uppercase characters. You see, I've just put it in here. We can see that it directly recognizes My Custom tool as the function that we have in there. It will do whatever I ask it to do. If we just prompt it, it will just send it to the AI, and the AI will give us the code that we can use. So this is why I call it light coding. It's because it does recognize everything that you have on the screen, but obviously you'll have to prompt a large language model to do the coding for you and give you whatever you're looking for. Let's say another example here. You want to look for another example other than this one, DuckDuckGo search tool, which is basically a tool that gives the AI agent the ability to search the internet. Let's see if we want to look for an alternative to it. Look in the small agents library. I want to find some alternative search packages other than the Go search tool They can help me browse the internet to get the information that I'm looking for. You can see here, it recognized the small agents library and the DuckDuckGo search tool just by looking at what's happening in the screen. That's what I call light coding. It helps you, instead of typing all these things or copy pasting them manually, you just speak about it and Aqua just gives you the accurate output, and it just simplifies so much the workflow when you're coding in general. Next, I like to use Aqua for brainstorming. So usually I sit and I type and I think, but now I can just speak and things will be organized for me. Let's have a look how we can do it. Plan next quarter goals. Go back to the line. I have 3 main goals that I would like to focus on. Go back to the line. First, make sure that I do a great job at my work. I need to be able to deliver on my goals and also provide substantial value for the clients. Number 2 is stay healthy. I really need to have a good diet, go to the gym, exercise more, and remember to have some fun. Go back to the line. 3, work on my side projects, grow my YouTube channel, grow my LinkedIn accounts, and just make sure that I learn new things and I teach them to people in my community. That's all. And you can see here, it's structured, there's the numbered list and everything, and it's just crazy. It's beautiful, it's done for you. You can even say to remove a word or add a word or do things like that, and that's so powerful. One other thing that I like to do when I'm reading a technical book, basically just take notes or copy and paste whatever I learn. But here I can just speak whatever I see and I can just take notes from it. You can also take notes directly from books that you read, whether it's technical or not technical. I read many technical books. You can see here on the right side, there's a book called AI Engineering by Chip Hewen. And you can see here, I can take notes directly by using Aqua, and it will pick up even difficult words or names without me going and correcting them or even adding them into the dictionary. Let me show you. Andrei Lopatenko said end-to-end AI systems are vital in order to build real-world applications. Also, Eileen Bui said that Chip Hewen's book is an essential guide for building AI products that can scale. As you can see here, we have the name Andrei Lopatenko is correct, the Chip Hewen, which is the author of this book, correct, and even this name here, Eileen Bui, which is a very difficult one, that he got it right. And whatever you read, whatever you go through, as long as Aqua can also see what's going on in your screen, it will make sure to give you the highest possible accuracy. Next is content creation, and I use this one extensively. Usually I just sit and brainstorm myself by writing, but now I use Aqua to help me create content for LinkedIn. Let's give it a try. Here are 3 productivity techniques that help me improve my performance overall. Back to the line. 1. Remove all distractions. Whenever I switch off my notifications and remove my phone, my productivity increases. Back to the line. 2. Do deep work every morning. Usually mornings my focus is high, so I'm able to produce more and to produce better. Back to the line. 3. Set my goals in advance. Whenever my goals are set in advance, it makes it easier for me to stop guessing and just start acting. Back to the line. Remember, productivity is not about putting more hours. It's about the quality of those hours that you put into your work. And you can see here, we have our post. You can see it's a numbered list because I gave it the numbers. I was even telling it to go back to the line. Sometimes it picks up directly without you saying, but it's best when you feel like you know what you're looking for. You can just ask for it. You can see, for example, here, remember was mixed in here. You can just put it down. And that's all. I have my LinkedIn post. I can literally copy paste this one and put it on LinkedIn, or I can just go and tweak whatever I want to tweak. And if you want to learn more about Aqua, you can just visit their website. You have all the information about them. You can see that they're trusted by the biggest companies and also the biggest universities. There's even a comparison with the other transcription tools in the market. There's no one that has all these functionalities and all this accuracy. And the amazing thing about it is that it's free to start, so there is no reason to not start. No credit card, nothing. You can just go download and try, and then maybe subscribe if you find it interesting. Thank you, Aqua, again for sponsoring this video. I will keep using the tool definitely for my own productivity system, and I hope you will give it a try too and that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.